Hi, I wrote this app to help find the minimal radius that contains 6 or however many cubes. So I think this is possibly the minimal configuration for 6 cubes. So yeah, I'll just show you what it looks like. Um, yeah, so 4 of the cubes are aligned with each other, and then there's another set of 2 cubes that are aligned with each other that are kind of um, angled. Um, okay, so how does this app work? It's got a physics simulator in it. So if I hit reset, it'll just randomly push around the cubes, um, and it'll settle on some local minima. Um, but then you can use this jiggle to perturb the cubes randomly. So that sort of helps it get unstuck from the local minimas. And with some patience, you can find some good configurations. So this one's kind of a mess. So let's mix it up and let it settle a bit. And slowly turn on the jiggling, see if we get anything interesting. Yeah, in this case, we've kind of got 2 layers of 3 cubes. And these little red circles show you where the corners poke outside of the repel radius. So this configuration is not bad at all. It's better than what I posted in as the best layers radius, which was a little over 1.63. But yeah, this is slightly below it. But yeah, even with this configuration, after playing with this, I couldn't get it to go to to this level. So yeah, just from playing around with it, I'm I'm satisfied that this is the minimal radius, or this configuration's minimal. It might not be, but yeah, let's try some smaller ends and see how this works. So I'll initialize it to use this radius. And yeah, you can see it with 3 cubes, it sort of settles on, yeah, this one's kind of spinning, so that's funny. Yeah, this is it doesn't, yeah, even when it's spinning, it doesn't really change the overall radius of the sphere. So yeah, 3 cubes isn't very interesting. You can play around with it, but yeah, let's try 4 and choose bigger radius. Yeah, so this is going to be minimal. Let's sort of take some jiggling to get the cubes perfectly aligned. Oh, actually, sorry, it's not minimal. With 4 cubes, you want a layer of 3 and a layer of 1. So let's try again. Okay, this should be a minimal configuration. And yeah, let's do some jiggling to reduce the radius a bit. Yes, I think there's some friction between these blocks that sort of I don't know, I guess they're sliding around pretty good. But anyways, the simulation gets pretty close to the optimal value here. Let's try 5. And I'll use this radius. Yes, this is a bit of a mess. But yeah, let's jiggle. And it might settle into something much better. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, let's try something different. Yeah, so this configuration, I think this is going to be minimal. But yeah, let's see how close the simulator can get to the actual minimum. Yeah, so yeah, quite close in this case. Okay, again, let's try n equals 6. Oops, for 6, we'll use this radius. So this one's interesting. It's axis aligned. And symmetrical, but yeah, I've had this one before, and it doesn't seem to get close to the minimum. Okay, so let's skip that. This seems a bit of a mess. All right, let's abort that. Okay, so this is very similar to yeah, the best radius I found. So if I tighten up the repel radius, it might snap into a better better arrangement. Yeah, so this is quite close to the best arrangement I've found so far. Yeah, okay, so we don't have to look at that anymore. Yeah. So this one's okay, but it's not getting too close to the other minimum. Oh, and then yeah, let's try 9 just for fun. For 9, the minimum's below 1.8. Um, Anyways, yeah, this is the simulator.